Hello nature buddies! Welcome to Lights Nature TV. This is your Manang Luz. Please subscribe to my channel and watch videos of plants, nature, and life. It is summertime here in my country and the plants are getting bigger and lushier every day. So let's come and see. Nature buddies, behind me are my Japanese bamboo plants, and lately I discovered that some birds are flying and taking refuge on this tree, on these plants and I think that they are having a secret here behind me. So let us investigate. Of my Japanese bamboo. It has been with me for the past 15 years and it is growing well until this day. And it's not alone because I have also some other Japanese bamboo plants here. They are all very aged already, and lately I discovered that there are birds hopping on these Japanese bamboos, and when I examined further, I found something here. That is a bird's nest. Japanese bamboos are producing flowers. The color of these flowers are white when they open. I have also my variegated Schefflera under these Japanese bamboos. Let us just leave it in peace. There are 5 eggs inside the nest, nature buddies. Summertime is the breeding season for these birds, nature buddies. Thank you for watching Nature Buddies. I will give you updates upon hatching of the eggs. Bye bye. Stay healthy and see you soon.